The partnership with BSNL is more than about 1.5 years old for the IDC business. So we basically signed up the contract where we were given 4 centers. So initially they gave us Bangalore, Hyderabad, Cherthala, which is near Cochin, and a 4th place in the east, which was actually Ranchi or Patna. So we actually looked at the 2 sites, Ranchi and Patna, and we said we cannot do it there. And there were 2 reasons. One is the power availability issue, and the other one is we wanted to be in a metro. So we preferred Calcutta. In the meanwhile, we started the build of the 3 centers in the south. So Bangalore, Hyderabad and Cherthala, they are readily running now. So with 30 racks each, where we already started doing business. We have co-located customers, we have managed services hosting customers. So the services that we offer is, one is co-location, where we offer either space in a rack or a rack space itself or a cage space. On the hosted and managed services, we offer various services like hosted infrastructure, dedicated infrastructure or shared, or it can be platform as a service on the cloud, or it can be security as a service, software as a service, communication as a service. And 2 of the unique products that we are offering is Microsoft Lync, which is for the communication for audio and video. The second one is, of course, the desktop as a service. So today, if customers want to use the latest available operating system, the latest available database and the latest available application or any such thing, he doesn't have to throw his existing desktop. He can use the same desktop, come to my URL where I'll give him the URL connection with the username and password, and he can use the infrastructure remotely. So the partnership that we have with BSNL is for a period of 7 years, extendable by another 3 years, so it will be a 10-year agreement. It's on a revenue sharing arrangement. The data centers that we have built are Tier 3, TI 942 certified. And I think we are the only IDC service providers in India which are both Tier 3 and TI 942 certified. And these certificates are valid till the year 2015. So at that point of time, we'll again go for a revalidation and we'll go for a fresh certification. So our target is basically the small and medium enterprises to start with, some of the PSUs where BSNL has already got a relationship with their existing customers. And we plan to do about 75 crores in the first year of our business with 75 crores as a revenue, and the order booking should be about 350 crores. So that is this year's target. Our focus, if you ask me, there is nothing specific to a region. We go out because my team today is spread out across the country. So I have people in the north, I have people in the west, I have people in the south and east. So we'll be looking at all the customers. And I think when you talk about a data center service, it need not be geographically at one place. You can access it from anywhere. You have the best connectivity available today, so customers can access from anywhere. So that's how we see. Thanks a lot.